Welcome back to the mini lab, folks. I know this is probably a couple of days late, having had a look at Inside Guy's channel. He had a video the other day of a similar tool. I had put this on order about a week ago, but it came in a little bit late. But this is a WEICON Tools number 5 wire stripper. I had one of these once before. I loaned it to a friend, and he moved away before he gave it back and never returned it. I told him, keep it. It's not really worth shipping to me. It would cost almost as much. Shipping in Canada, if I can ship stuff to the States or to Europe actually for less money than I can ship it down the road 2 hours away. But that's neither here nor there. So this is very similar to the tool that Inside Guy showed. His was a Knipex. And this one works in exactly the same way. It's got an adjustable length here for the strip, and that you can remove that if you want. One of the nice things about this one is it's lockable, so you can just lock it like this, and it takes up a little bit less space in your drawer, and easy to unlock. It's got an anvil type cutter on it here, so that's really nice, handy. And it does a range of sizes, so it goes from 0.2 to 6 millimeters square, 6 square millimeters. So it's it's got basically the same range as that one, that Knipex one. The difference is this one's about half the price. It's also a German-made tool. You can see here, made in Germany, and there's no pretense of putting English on the back of this at all. They have some different language. So they do have, do they have English here at all? Anywhere? No, they do down here for the replacement blade set. That's the only English I can actually find on the box. But everything is self-explanatory. I mean, if you can't figure out how to use this, there's something wrong. The replacement blades, I've only been able to find them from WEICON themselves, about 13 bucks or something like that to get. But the tool itself, I think I paid less than $40 for it. Where at least where I'm from, the Knipex one is at least twice that, $75, $80, which is a lot to pay for strippers. And indeed, even $30, $40 is a lot to pay for strippers. But they do work very nicely. Let's see, I got some number 22 wire here. It's very old wire. You can see, I don't know if you can see how corroded it is, but it's pretty bad. I would not use this for anything, but it just happens to be here at my bench, and so I can use it to show you how this thing works. And it works just as you would imagine. You put it in. I think I've got it set here for 5 millimeters, and you just do that, and it cuts it. Now, one would think that it leaves a bad scar on the wire, but if we set this out to 12 millimeters and I strip it again, I could see here that there's very little. Like I run my nail along there, and even if I look at it with a magnifying glass, I can't see any scoring on the wire. Now this is rather hard copper wire, so maybe in a very, very soft copper it might do that. But and it'll handle much bigger wires. But the nice thing about it, and I just got this one just came today, so I haven't really tried it out yet. I do have here a little bit of wire wrap wire, which is the kind of wire I use for doing my point-to-point wiring using Vera boards and stuff like this. And let's see if it'll do that. My old one could do that, even though this is like a number 30 wire. And it's not rated to do it, but yeah, it does it just fine. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. So very handy for doing any kind of wiring or breadboarding, a tool like this. Anyway, this is just a very short video. I was going to do something more interesting on it, but Inside Guy beat me to it, and he's got a much bigger channel than mine, so I would imagine more people saw his video and lusting after the Knipex or Knipex. But this is the WEICON Tools number 5. I'll leave links to it where I got it on Amazon, and if you want one, go get one. It will be an affiliate link, so if you get one, it'll help the channel out a little bit. All right, folks, it's a really quick video from me, and let me see if it'll do stranded wire. Here we've got some stranded wire here. Let's use the cutters to trim it. Yeah, it's an anvil type cutter. I don't know if I mentioned that. And we'll put that in there like that. And yeah, it does stranded wire too, although I don't really use it a lot for stranded wire. All right, folks, we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.